Hi all, this is a water pump which attaches to one of those portable gas showers. Nobody's seen one. I bought one years ago and I wanted to make it totally portable, but the only way you can use it either in the garden with a hose pipe or yeah, that's it really. So I wanted to buy something to make it totally portable. So I bought this pump, and I bought this a while ago as well, but you've got to get the right connections for the ends, and you haven't got much to play with, you see. So I thought, right. So I've been looking and looking and looking, and they brought a kit out. Now, whether it calls an accessory kit to the showers, I think it is, and I'll put a link in the description down below. It's off the superb eBay, and for what it costs, these pumps are about £9, £10 for these pumps. You can buy this kit from China for a tenner, but I paid £16.95 for it locally. Hold on, we've got a stupid exhaust. So you get these off eBay. This is £16.95, so that, but I'll put a link in the description below. But I just want to show you the kit, because this is going to make life a lot more easier for these portable gas showers. All right. So what you get in the kit is you get a hose pipe, and you're thinking, well, you need a hose. Well, you don't, because what you need then, you get a pump with it, I mean, that's what you need. That's what you need. You know, this has got the rubber feet as well. I mean, you know, whether this is probably a little bit more substantial, is it? But you've got the connectors now, so I could. Let's have a look. No, it's like, yeah, it is. You could probably use those connectors on this pump if you want. Anyway, so this is the pump that came with it, with the cigarette lighter on the end as well. So I'm going to mount this on a piece of wood. So the trouble is connecting it to the shower. So you have to get all the bits and the cables and the pipe. Well, when you buy this kit, this is what you get. So this goes on there. This is your outlet. This will go, is it the outlet? Let's have a look. This is the outlet. So this will go to the actual shower. The actual, yeah, it's the shower unit. This will go to the shower. And for that, you will use this one of these couplings, which will go on there. And then that, I've got on the other end of my shower, I've got the other fitting that fits on that. That goes into the shower. So I'll take that off for now. So that's your hose pipe sorted. And then this end goes into said bucket with a filter on the end. And it just pushes. It's been tested by look of it as well. And it just pushes on there. And it's a good fit as well. You could put a little clip around if you wanted it to, but I don't think it's going anywhere. Then that'll be pop into a bucket. But you get accessory kit as well. So you get a brush if you wanted to shower yourself down, and it's quite a soft brush actually, would be quite nice. And you can put some washing up liquid. There's no instructions with this. So you put washing up liquid or some sort of soap suds in the top of that. It's got a tiny hole at the bottom. See that? Yeah, and then you put the lid back on. This attaches to the other end as well. You've got all the attachments. Another attachment here. This is, oh, that'll, I see. So that screws into said, like so. Then you've got, oh my god, there's loads of stuff. Oh, that's for the spring, sorry. Yeah. So you put that attachment onto the end of that one, and that'll feed from the bucket, so you got water as well. Pretty good. And then you got a spare O-ring. Seal, what else we got? And then we've got a pressure gun. Not tried this, but when I do, I'm going to put it all together tomorrow. I'll do another vid and we'll see how she runs. Not sure everything does, but I'll go through it and I will definitely show you how it all works, including the shower and how I set it all up as well. So, for what this costs, extra £6, well £7 more, and you just get a pump otherwise, and then you've got to find all the fittings. I thought it'd be easier to actually buy the whole unit together, which is pretty good. So take him off. It all fits back nicely in the packet, and it comes with the bag. Pretty good, handy. You can see that. Put that in there. So the pump as well. I'll put the little, because it looks like it's been tested, so there's water going through that. Let's have a look if I can find that. There we go. Pump back in. We lead. And then hose and hose. There you go. So saves a lot of hassle, to be honest with you. So for an extra £7 you get the whole kit. I'll do all this tomorrow and put it all up and set it all up for you, but I just thought I'd show you in between, and I'll put a link in the description on this video where I got the kit from, and I'll also put a picture of the gas shower that I'm going to use it on as well. They're pretty straightforward. They got them from Germany for about 50 odd quid. Okay, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the vid, give it a thumbs up, that would be great, and I'll catch you in the next vid. Take care.